Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session on AWS Portfolio. AWS is the world's leading cloud platform, powering millions of businesses and driving innovation across every industry. Whether you're just starting your cloud journey or aiming for expert level mastery, IP Specialist offers structured AWS learning paths designed to take you from beginner to professional with confidence. In this video, we'll explore AWS certifications, a clear step by step roadmap, the key features of IP specialist courses, and how to choose the ideal certification path to match your career goals. But before you begin with the session, make sure that you've subscribed to IP Specialist on YouTube and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. So, why AWS certification? AWS continues to lead the global cloud market trusted by organizations of all sizes. This dominance creates high demand for skilled professionals in areas like architecture, development, operations, security, data, and AI or ML. AWS certifications not only validate your technical expertise but also demonstrate your ability to solve real world business challenges. They are globally recognized, highly respected in the industry, and can open doors to significant career growth, whether you're starting or aiming for advanced specialized roles. At IP Specialist, AWS certifications are structured to take you from beginner to expert, starting with fundamental, then moving through associate, then professional, and finally specialty levels. Each stage is designed for progressive skill building with the flexibility to branch into specialized areas. Rather than rigid tracks, we group certifications by career domains, including core cloud fundamentals, architecture, development and operations, data and analytics, security and networking, and machine learning. So you can focus on the path that aligns best with your goals. Your AWS journey typically begins with the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification, building a strong foundation in core cloud concepts. From there, you can move to associate level to gain role specific skills. Then, advance to the professional level for designing strategic, complex solutions. And finally, specialty certification allows you to deepen expertise in focused domains like security, data, or networking. IB Specialist Roadmap guides you through this step by step progression while giving you the flexibility to customize your path based on your career goals. All IP Specialist courses come packed with valuable learning tools to help you succeed. Each course includes a comprehensive study guide to guide your preparation, along with carefully crafted practice questions to test your knowledge. You'll also get handy exam cram notes for quick revision and mind maps that simplify complex concepts. To gain practical experience, there are hands on practice labs designed to simulate real world scenarios. Real life examples throughout the course make learning relevant and easier to grasp. Plus, the courses come with auto updates to keep the content fresh and aligned with the latest exam changes. And to top it off, you'll receive expert exam tips to boost your confidence and help you pass on your first attempt. You'll also get study cards that help you quickly review key concepts, making your preparation focused and efficient. Now, let's discuss how to choose your AWS path. Choosing your AWS path starts with identifying what excites you most. If you enjoy designing secure, scalable solutions, follow the architecture track. If building and deploying applications is your passion, the development path is for you. If you prefer managing systems and keeping operations running smoothly, explore the SysOps or cloud engineer route. And if you're drawn to niche expertise, you can specialize in areas like data, security, networking, or machine learning. Your interest should guide your next certification step. Now let's explore IP Specialist AWS learning paths organized by career domain. These paths are designed to take you from foundational knowledge to expert level mastery, with options to specialize along the way. First is architecture. If you want to design, develop, and manage cloud infrastructure while working closely with DevOps teams To migrate application to the cloud, the solutions architect path is ideal. Your journey begins with AWS Cloud Practitioner certification for fundamentals, then moves to AWS Solutions Architect Associate. Next, you can advance to AWS Solutions Architect Professional. And if you want to deepen your expertise, then you can pursue the AWS Security Specialty. Solutions Architect typically earn between $86,958 and $127,921 annually. Now, if you're more focused on application design, including user interfaces, middleware, and infrastructure, while ensuring scalability and reliability, consider becoming an application architect. Start with AWS Cloud Practitioner, then AWS Solutions Architect Associate, followed by AWS Developer Associate, then advance to AWS DevOps Engineer Professional, and for further depth, explore the AWS Solutions Architect Professional. Application architects usually earn between $100,000 and $140,000 annually. Moving on to data analytics. For those passionate about automating data collection, processing, and performance monitoring of data pipelines, the Cloud Data Engineer path is the right fit. Begin with AWS Cloud Practitioner, then AWS Solutions Architect Associate, followed by the AWS Data Analytics Specialty. You can then deepen your expertise with the AWS Security Specialty. Cloud data engineers generally earn between $95,000 and $135,000 annually. Next, development. If your interest lies in creating and maintaining software applications across multiple platforms, aim for Software Development Engineer path. Start with AWS Cloud Practitioner, then progress to AWS Developer Associate, and finally AWS DevOps Engineer Professional. Software development engineers typically earn between $85,000 and $130,000 annually. Next, moving on to operations. For those who enjoy installing, upgrading, and maintaining systems while integrating automation, the systems administrator path is ideal. Begin with AWS Cloud Practitioner, move to AWS SysOps Administrator Associate, and optionally specialize with the AWS DevOps Engineer Professional. Systems administrator usually earn between $65,000 and $95,000 annually. If you want to manage network infrastructure and deploy security systems, choose the Cloud Engineer path. Start with AWS Cloud Practitioner, then AWS SysOps Administrator Associate, followed by AWS Security Specialty. And for deeper specialization, you can pursue AWS DevOps Engineer Professional and AWS Networking Specialty. Cloud engineers typically earn between $90,000 and $130,000 annually. Moving on to DevOps. If you enjoy embedding testing and quality into every stage of development, then consider the Test Engineer path. This starts with AWS Cloud Practitioner, then AWS Developer Associate, and finally AWS DevOps Engineer Professional. Test engineers generally earn between $70,000 and $105,000 annually. Now, if your passion is designing, deploying, and automating large-scale hybrid environments, then aim for Cloud DevOps Engineer path. Begin with AWS Cloud Practitioner, then AWS Developer Associate. You may optionally add AWS SysOps Administrator Associate and then advance to AWS DevOps Engineer Professional. Cloud DevOps Engineer typically earn between $100,000 and $145,000 annually. Now, moving on to security. For those driven by protecting information and implementing security measures, the Cloud Security Engineer path is a great choice. We start with AWS Cloud Practitioner, then AWS SysOps Administrator Associate, followed by AWS Security Specialty. And for advanced expertise, explore AWS DevOps Engineer Professional and AWS Advanced Networking Specialty. Cloud security engineers usually earn between $110,000 and $150,000 annually. Now, if you prefer designing enterprise cloud solutions with a strong focus on governance and risk mitigation, the cloud security architect path is for you. Begin with AWS Cloud Practitioner, then AWS Solutions Architect Associate, followed by AWS Security Specialty, and optionally the AWS Solutions Architect Professional. Cloud security architects typically earn between $120,000 and $160,000 annually. Now, moving on to networking. If you want to design and implement computer and information networks such as LANs, WANs, intranets, and extranets, the network engineer path is ideal. Start with AWS Cloud Practitioner, move to AWS Solutions Architect Associate, then AWS Advanced Networking Specialty, and deepen with AWS Security Specialty. Network engineers generally earn between $75,000 and $110,000 annually. Lastly, AI and machine learning. If artificial intelligence and machine learning excites you, then machine learning engineer path is the right fit. Start with AWS Cloud Practitioner, then AWS Solutions Architect Associate, and specialize with AWS Machine Learning Specialty. Machine learning engineers typically earn between $115,000 and $160,000 annually. So, AWS opens the door to limitless possibilities, offering a flexible, role based certification journey that adapts to your ambitions. Whether you dream of designing powerful cloud solutions, building next generation applications, or mastering niche specializations, at IP Specialist, we equip you with updated, structured courses that guide you every step of the way. From building a strong foundation to achieving expert level mastery, you'll have the tools, knowledge, and confidence to stand out in today's competitive cloud industry. Your journey starts here. Take the first step and let your AWS career soar. So, are you ready to take the next step in your cloud journey? Start by identifying the role that best matches your interests and career aspirations. Then follow the recommended path for that track. Enroll in IP Specialist AWS certification course today and gain the skills, confidence, and credentials to stand out in the competitive world of cloud computing. You can also purchase our books directly from Amazon to reinforce your learning and stay exam ready. That concludes our session for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also share it with your colleagues or friends who might benefit from this information. If you have any questions or topics that you would like us to cover in the future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is very valuable to us.